Look at the way the light catches these fine cracks. See the texture of the rust on the bolts.
We're starting with the engine fins and the frame joints. You can see decades of dust just lifting right off the aluminum. Gently scrubbing the radiator fins, making sure the foam gets deep inside. And here we can finally see the original paintwork of this 982 FireBlade coming through. So satisfying. This is the rear swing arm of the FireBlade. So satisfying to watch the dirt wash away. We're just carefully removing the last clip here. Look at that buildup after all these years. Okay, let's carefully remove the last bolt here.
Okay, let's get these tank bolts off, nice and slow, into the magnetic tray.
All right, let's inspect the frame. We have some oxidation here and a bit of grease buildup right there. We'll start by gently prying the edge here. There we go, a nice satisfying separation. And that should be the last screw. Let's take a look. Wow, look at all that dust. We're using a soft detailing brush to get into these tight corners, followed by the vacuum to suck up the loosened debris. Carefully detaching the throttle cables. Now the fuel hoses, making sure they are labeled correctly before removal.
Wow, this fuel is really aged. Make sure the container is secure.
Gently pressing the tab now, and that's disconnected. Now for the label.
Just gliding over the rusty headers now, See the texture of the aged welds and the heavy carbon right here.
We have some minor oxidation here on the fins, and this area shows some slight dirt buildup that needs careful cleaning.
All right, now that the axle is out, we gently pull the wheel back, making sure the chain clears the sprocket. Careful now, it's heavy.
We're removing the front rotor bolts now. It's important to keep them organized so they go straight into this labeled magnetic tray.
You can see the deep grooves here and the severe oxidation near the hub. This lip indicates significant wear.
And we gently lift the triple clamp off the stem. You can see the bearings now. We'll place the hardware directly into the labeled trays. Listen to that click. We slowly unwind the bolt and move it over to the magnetic tray. Perfect.
We're using the fine abrasive pads now, moving slowly to get rid of that oxidation. Next up is the compound for the final shine.
Okay, now we loosen the bolts in the specified crisscross pattern to avoid warping the flange.
All right, we're draining the oil from the FireBlade now. Look at how smooth that flows. All right, let's loosen these in the correct sequence now. Starting here and moving across. Listen to that click.
valve seals, springs, retainers, collets, we're focusing on the combustion chambers now, gently brushing away the remaining carbon to reveal the pristine aluminum underneath. Using the expander tool, we gently guide the ring over the piston crown. Now we verify the end gap with the feeler gauge. We start by aligning the piston rings, ensuring every piece is perfectly placed before we begin the assembly. Precision is key here.
The legendary FireBlade engine, laid out in stunning detail. Look at the precision of the valve train.
Crisscross pattern, one, then the opposite side, nice and even.
We'll start by loosening these 4 screws. Keep everything organized in the trays.
We're using fine abrasive pads here to ensure the surface is absolutely pristine before we lay down the primer.
The key to a perfect finish is the prep work. Here we apply a uniform coat of the gray epoxy primer to the CBR900RR frame.
We use ultra-fine waterproof sandpaper and clean water, gently smoothing the epoxy primer until it's flawless. Look at that reflection starting to show through. Almost ready for the color coat.
The FireBlade is almost complete. Every component polished and ready for assembly. Look at the shine on the tank.
And that's the final click on the swing arm pivot bolt, torqued precisely to the factory specification. The legendary 1992 FireBlade, restored to perfection. Every curve, every decal, a testament to Honda racing heritage.